Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to create stickers from anybody's content on a TikTok. So first thing you have to do is just go open your TikTok application, and right after that you just need to open the home sections, which is this part, and you just need to scrolling and find the best video for these stickers. So here, let's say I would like to make a stickers from this video content. So you just need to take a look on this side. There will be several options there, so you just need to go click this rose part here, and you just need to scrolling into the left side this section until you found create sticker, and now you just need to go click them. Now you just need to wait, and they will be bring you into the cropping phase, and then you just need to pick the area that you want to use as the stickers. Let's say I will like to use this for the stickers, for my stickers. Okay, and you just need to check. You can also crop the stickers by drag this point into the left side, everyone. So I only want to have this, and after that you just need to go click next. Now make sure if you want to keep the stickers for your own account, so you just need to turn it off and just go click create, and it will be saved into your profile stickers collection. So that is the way, guys, how to create stickers on a TikTok application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you for the next tutorial.